Apricots, a type of tree fruit, are one of the oldest cultivated fruits and are thought to originate from India or China around 3000 BC. Most commercial apricot trees in the United States today are descendants of the varieties brought over in the 17th century from Spanish missionaries. And when it comes to growing apricots, Washington is the #2 producer in the United States. Importantly, these delicious little tree fruits provide a wide variety of health benefits. Dried apricots in particular are a great source of vitamin A, which helps support a healthy immune system and promote good vision. Apricots also provide important antioxidants, like vitamin E, which help keep our cells healthy and functioning normally. They also provide a great source of iron, which our body needs to make new red blood cells so we can deliver oxygen efficiently. Thankfully, there are many ways to enjoy apricots, as they are great eaten by themselves raw or dried, or incorporated into a variety of dishes. You can find many recipes that include apricots in savory or sweet dishes, including salads, rice dishes, and especially desserts like pies, tarts, or even jam. If you're looking to change up your fruit routine, consider the apricot, a nutrient-dense and delicious fruit.